Hey guys, welcome back to more training here at ClickTrack Profit. We're continuing on with the CTP Talk module, and we are going to be discussing the CTP Miner. That is right, there is the CTP token, but there is also the CTP Miner, and we will be discussing exactly what this is and how much of an opportunity it could potentially be for you if you are into this type of thing. So, one of the more exciting aspects of cryptocurrency is the ability for us to basically create it. And it's done by either creation, curating, or sharing content on CTP Talk, which again, remember, is based upon the Steem blockchain that has this thing called proof of brain and proof of stake. But it's also done by mining CTP tokens. So yes, you can create content, you can curate content, you can share content, but you can also mine CTP tokens. And we do that with the CTPM, which is on Steem Engine. So similar to mining Bitcoin, and there's a big but because there's two fundamental types of technology we're going to be discussing right now. I'm just giving you a really basic overview of it so you don't get too confused. But in a nutshell, Bitcoin is mined using something called proof of work. And basically this means that a computer is working to secure the network. And the more Bitcoins that are found on that network, the harder these computers have to work to find new Bitcoin. That's proof of work. And that's why some Bitcoin mining rigs can be in the thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars, because these computers need to be, focused on one task and one task only, and that's securing the Bitcoin blockchain. So CTP tokens are based on a different type of blockchain, and it's called proof of stake. So in a nutshell, and it's a little confusing, but I'll just say the more tokens that are staked, the more of them that get distributed. And to mine CTP tokens, we basically need a mining token, and that mining token is called the CTP Miner, or CTPM. So, as you remember, we discussed buying and selling CTP. You should be familiar with Steem Engine. If not, you need to log in. Really easy once you get a hold of it. I know there's a little bit of learning curve getting all your passwords and your account keys, and it gets a little tricky, but once you get in, you'll totally understand this stuff. But Steem Engine is the decentralized exchange for all Steem-based tokens. So you can buy, sell, and trade these things 24/7, 365. And remember, it's paired with Steem, and Steem is paired and it's tradable on multiple exchanges around there for USD. So it's a real currency that you can earn right now. So after you log into Steem Engine, you're going to click on tokens. Next, you want to search for CTPM. So in the search box provided, all you do is type CTPM, and then the trading page for CTPM will show up. And in the middle of the page, you'll see buy CTPM and sell CTPM. So yeah, you can buy CTPM and sell it at any time you want, but we're going to just discuss buying it. So we're going to go through each step here. So number one is you're going to enter the lowest ask. So when I'm doing this video, the current ask price for CTPM is 3 Steem. So that's the lowest ask. So you just put 3 inside of price. The second part there is you want to add the quantity of CTPM you wish to purchase. And I'll show you an example of how it's all laid out in the next slide, but that's where you would decide the quantity. And then the total, the third part there, that fills itself out. So you don't need to worry about that. So the only 2 things you need to add is the ask price and then the quantity. And when you filled it out, so I'm going to use the example of 10 CTPM. So the price would be 3 Steem per CTPM. The quantity, let's say I wanted to buy 10 mining tokens, the total price would be 30 Steem. So that's pretty straightforward. Hope you guys get that. Really easy to understand that the lowest ask is what we're going to put in the price. The quantity for this example would be 10. The total price would be 30 Steem. So then you click buy CTPM, and now you have CTP mining tokens, but it's not done yet. And this is where proof of stake comes in. You have to actually stake these tokens. Now, I took a screenshot of my account. Now, I only have one staked because I needed to stake one to set it up. But let's say that you purchased the 10 CTPM. So in your wallet, it would read here, CTPM Miner. It would say 3 where the little 1 is there. You can't really see it. It's kind of covered by the red arrow. But it would say 10 there. And once you press that lock button, this is what we want to click on, the lock button. That is where you're going to stake this stuff. So you click on the lock button, this box will pop up, stake token. The balance, because it says 0.55, that's just what I have in my account, but you would have 10 CTPM. So the number 1 there would say balance, it would say 30 CTPM. The number 2 would be your Steam username. It wouldn't say Jon G. Olson. That's my username on Steam and CTP Talk. So for you would have your Steam username. It would automatically be there, and then you click stake. That's it. Super simple. But you have to do this. You can't just buy the CTPM. You have to stake it, because after you do that, now it's staked. And essentially what this mining token will be doing is mining CTP for you 24/7, 365. That's it. That's all you got to do. You don't need to think about it. You don't need to manage it. If you ever want to unstake, you unstake. It takes 7 days, and boom, you get your money back. You can trade it on the open market if you wish, but that's all you got to do. It's really, really amazing, the opportunities that we have in cryptocurrency. So I hope this video and tutorial made sense. If you do need any help with staking or learning how to purchase CTPM, let me know. Drop me a line in Telegram, hit me up on Facebook, or even send me a note through Steam or CTP Talk. Whatever way you need your questions answered, I'm here for you. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and I hope you guys go and get some CTPM tokens and basically stake them and let them do the work for you.